These idlis are looking very nice, very colorful.
Hi my foodie friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy recipe with lots of color in it, that is Tricolor Idli. So let's see how to make these beautiful Tricolor Idlis on the occasion of Indian Republic Day. So let's get started and see the recipe.
So first of all, we'll take a bowl and we're gonna add the semolina or suji, 2 cups in it. Now add the salt. So I have added 1 teaspoon. You can add half teaspoon is also fine. And give a good mix. Now add the yogurt, which is 1 cup. And give a good mix. With this, add water also. So I have added 2 cups of water. And again give a good mix, just to make sure everything incorporated nicely. Now it's mixed nicely, so set aside for 15 minutes for fermentation. Now we will take a pan and add some cooking oil, around 1 teaspoon is fine. Once the oil gets hot, add the cumin seeds or zira, 1 teaspoon, and to mix it. When it cooked, then add dry red chilies and again mix it. Now add chopped tomato. So I have added only 1 tomato. A medium sized tomato is fine, and cook it for 2 minutes. Here you can add a little bit of salt as per your taste and mix well. So we cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and it's cooked. Now we are going to transfer this into a mixing jar and grind it to make a puree. So on the other side, after 15 minutes, the batter is fermented, and now we are going to add baking soda in it. If you have Eno, you can add Eno. So 1 teaspoon is fine. So I don't have Eno. So now mix it really well. Now divide the batter into 3 equal portions. So I have here divided the batter in 3 equal portions. The batter is ready. So let's make the first color, so which is orange color. So I have this tomato puree which I have grinded after cooked. Now adding in the idli batter. So mix well till the batter turns into the orange color. Look at that. Now here, this is the boiled spinach puree. In this I have added small piece of ginger as well, then blended. So now adding in the idli batter. And again mix well till the batter turns into the green color. Mix. So here I have this white batter ready. As you know, I have added all salt in the beginning, so no need to add the salt at this time. So let's make the idlis. So here I have this idli mold. Now I'm going to grease it with little oil. Now I'm going to pour the batter in the molds. So I'm starting with the green color. So I would say a big spoon is fine, not more than that. So this is full. Similarly, I'm going to fill these molds as well with the white batter and the orange color batter. Here I have this idli stand. I have added the water in the steamer already and it's really hot. So now I'm going to put these idli molds in the idli stand and cover it with the lid. And let the idli steam for 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, look at that! They're looking nice and ready to be eaten. So separate the plates down and let it cool down completely for few minutes before we remove it from the mold. After few minutes, now I'm going to scoop them out from the mold one by one. Look at that. Look at that. Inspired from the tricolor of the Indian flag, this recipe is not just Indian in a true offense but also super delicious. So go ahead and give this a try. Now all the idlis are out from the mold and they are looking really nice and the colors are perfect like a Indian flag colors. Look at the texture of the idlis. Happy eating!
Did you see how easy it is to make this colorful idlis? Friends, if you like my video, my recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and please press the bell icon button for further notifications. It's me, Nancy Verma. Bye bye and see you next time with more yummy recipes. Bye bye.